Let me be the first to congratulate you on your purchase of Maytag's Neptune Washer. I'm not sure you realize it, but this is truly a revolutionary product. Instead of using an agitator like conventional washers, this new Maytag washer gently tumbles clothes through the water in a tub that's tilted on its side. The clothes are tumbled through water instead of being submerged in it. The benefits to you are cleaner laundry through better stain removal and gentler cleaning to keep your clothes looking newer longer. Your new washer also offers larger capacity to wash big, bulky items, plus savings in water and energy costs. And because it's a Maytag, you know it's dependable. There are lots of unique features your Maytag washer offers that other traditional models don't have. Too many to mention in this brief video. It's important that you look through your user's guide and laundering tips provided for complete information on your new washer. Now, for a quick overview of how to use your new Maytag Neptune Washer.
Hey Mom, I need my baseball uniform washed for tonight. I'll just leave it in the laundry room, okay?
You know, you're going to have to wash that yourself. I got a meeting all day today.
I don't know how to use the new washer. It looks different than the old one.
It is, but it's easy. Here, I can show you quickly before I go. First of all, we need to sort through this stuff and empty everything out of the pockets, please. Let's put the whites together and the heavy towels together and your uniform. Oh, what happened to these pants?
Oh, that's when I slid into home, remember?
We're gonna have to wash this uniform separately. Yuck.
Let's do the towels.
Okay.
We'll probably have to do 2 loads, won't we?
No, they'll all fit into one. Go ahead, load them up.
All of them?
They'll all fit.
Yeah, but you're sure they'll all get clean?
Trust me.
You can fill your Maytag washer completely full. Don't be afraid to fill it all the way to the top. It'll even hold big, bulky items like washable coats, rugs, sleeping bags, and bedding. Just don't pack the washer too tight.
Okay, you're sure it's not too full?
It holds a lot.
What next?
Well, you need to add the detergent and the fabric softener. You can use either the liquid or the powder, whichever one you want.
Just load it here?
Actually, this washer has a dispenser. You load it here.
The washer will automatically add the detergent, bleach, or fabric softener into the tub at the appropriate time. It's a good idea to periodically rinse the dispenser insert with warm water to keep it free from laundry additive buildup. For the best cleaning results, use a specially formulated detergent such as Tide High Efficiency or Whisk. They have been specially designed to maximize the cleaning performance of your new Maytag Neptune Washer for a high-performance laundry system. To identify these detergents, read the label or look for the high-efficiency symbol. Your washer is also designed to use the normal amount of your regular detergent if you wish. For additional information, be sure to refer to your printed user's guide.
This isn't our usual detergent.
No, it's a specially formulated detergent for our new washer. Just pour 1 capful.
I don't need bleach, right?
No, but I do add fabric softener to the towels. Just add a capful to the dispenser and fill with warm water up to the max fill line.
Got it. Where's the button for full load?
This washer doesn't have a load size button. That's because it'll automatically adjust to the size of the load and add the right amount of water. This way, we don't have to worry about it.
Fabric. What, cotton sturdy?
That'll work for the heavy towels. When you go to wash your uniform, you'll want to use the Easy Care permanent press cycle to help prevent wrinkles.
What temp?
Water temperature is important in order to get clothes clean. Here's a quick lesson. Use the hot wash water for washing whites and heavily soiled items, cold for brightly colored, lightly soiled items, and warm for just about everything else.
What are these options?
The max extract means it will spin the load longer at a higher speed to help remove more water. That's a really good idea for these heavy towels and the sturdy cottons, like jeans. That way our dryer won't have to work so hard. And you don't need the extra rinse cycle, and the signal will tell us when the washer's done.
Am I ready to roll now?
Just about. You need to choose a cycle.
Which one?
Well, for most loads, regular wash will do, but you'll probably want to use the pre-wash on your uniform.
Your washer also offers a delay wash up to 8 hours. This can be used to take advantage of off-peak utility rates.
Why isn't it starting?
Is the on light on?
No.
You need to push the start-stop button.
Oh, Mom, I found another towel. I'm just gonna throw it in with one of those other loads.
No, go ahead and put it in here.
Yeah, right, Mom. I'm not gonna mop up the floor when all the water comes gushing out.
The water's not going to come gushing out because the water level doesn't go above the bottom of the door. Here, give me that. Watch and learn.
Clothes can be added to a cycle that has already started washing. Because the washer uses less water and the washer tub is tilted, the door can be opened safely without the risk of water spilling out onto the floor. You can open the door at any time before the door lock light comes on, which is usually 3 minutes after starting the washer. If the door lock light is on, just push the start-stop button. Wait for that door lock light to go off, and then open the door, throw in that extra item, and then don't forget to start your washer again. It's that easy.
Hey, what happened? I thought I loaded it up all the way.
That's why we filled it as full as we did. Now it's the proper load size. Just close the door and press the start button to get the washer going again. Got it?
Piece of cake, Mom. See you later.
As you can see, using your Maytag Neptune washer isn't that different than using your previous washer. But it works so differently that it may make sounds you're not familiar with. Don't worry, they're completely normal. Let's run through a few to get you familiar with them. This is water flushing detergent, bleach, or fabric softener out of the dispenser and into the tub. This sound is perfectly normal. In fact, you could hear this throughout the cycle because it could also be the washer adding water to the load. Here's why. Your washer offers a true adaptive fill. That means the washer automatically knows how much water is needed for each individual load. It's a nifty feature because some clothes absorb a lot of water, so that as needed throughout the cycle, the washer will add more water to the tub. Now you hear that? Well, you're going to need to listen closely because it's very, very quiet. It's the sound of the washer at work. The tub pauses before changing directions as it gently tumbles your clothing clean. The next is my favorite. It's the spin cycle in action. Your washer produces this sound when removing water from clothes. The high spin speed reduces the moisture in the load, resulting in decreased drying time. Sometimes it takes the washer a few times to evenly distribute the load and work up to its optimum spin speed. Other loads may redistribute on the first try, take right off. The spin cycle could sound a little different each time you run a different load of laundry. The important thing to remember is, nothing is wrong if it sounds like the washer is speeding up and slowing down. In fact, during the final spin, you might hear the washer reach a high spin, and then it will back off a bit. This is also normal, as the washer is adjusting to the load and achieving the optimum spin speed. Another thing, when the washer's completed a cycle, you'll hear that sound if you chose the signal option. Finally, if you rotate the tub when loading or unloading the washer, you could hear a sound similar to this. You guessed it, nothing's wrong, it's normal. It's not water left in the washer. It's the sound of the sealed balance ring that helps your washer run smoothly and efficiently. These sounds are all normal. So don't worry, the washer just makes some sounds that are different from what you're used to. See, but if you do hear something that doesn't sound right, or isn't similar to the sounds I've described, or if you have questions about how your new washer is operating, check the Before You Call section in your user's guide. Or you can call Maytag customer service toll-free at 1-8884-MAYTAG. That's 1-888-462-9824. And it's a free call. The dependability people are here to answer your questions and can register your washer if you haven't had time to send in the product registration card. Congratulations again on purchasing a Maytag Neptune Washer. I know you'll enjoy many years of dependable performance.